Hi, I'm Jake with Green Teens Curbside Recycling. Here to give you some steps for implementing a office recycling program and also some suggestions. And first of all, why do we want to do it? We want to show our employees that the company cares. And two is we also want to get everyone involved and help create a teamwork environment with the recycling program. And third is we just want to help make a difference by conserving our natural resources. Okay, step one is to evaluate what you're currently doing in the office. This trash can in our general area is a perfect example of some place that we could be capturing material. The printer station is also a great place where we could be capturing paper to be recycled. And we look in this printer station and we have two issues that I can see when I evaluate this. The first is that there's nothing immediately close to the printers to discard paper to be recycled into. In fact, what we have to do is come over this way into the lunchroom, and here we have two options for paper. First, we could be throwing it away in this trash can, or we could discard that paper into this secured shredding box here. This box really is only intended for secured documents, sensitive information, and it costs the company more to have this stuff shredded and then either discarded or recycled based on the shredding company. So this is a more expensive option to recycle your paper as opposed to just having another can over here that we could discard paper and recycle it that's not sensitive information. So this is a great place that we could make improvements in our system. Okay, in our individual offices, we currently don't have anywhere to either discard trash or recycling materials. So this is definitely a place that we could improve the system. Here in our break room, we have a very convenient trash can for any material being discarded from the break room, but we don't have anything to capture recycled material in this space. Here in the conference room, we could also make some improvements. We have one little bitty trash can over here in the corner, and that's all we have. Nowhere to capture any material in this space. Okay, so we've evaluated all the spaces in the office, and now we're ready to make a plan, which is step two. I highly recommend when you're planning your system in the office environment to make it easy. You have to have an easy button if you want the employees to buy into the program and actually contribute and recycle material. So now we've made our plan, and we're going to start to put everything in the process by implementing some new recycling containers in these same areas to make it much easier for our employees to recycle. This way, when they come to that area that they normally throw trash away, it's real simple. I have trash or I have recycling. It's right here, and I just choose this can or that can. Easy. Step three, we're going to educate our employees. We're going to tell them what we're going to be using to collect the material, where we're going to be collecting the material, and what type of material that we want to collect in these spaces. And we're going to be very clear, and we're going to make sure everyone understands the new system. That way we have really good chance of being successful, and we're going to make it easy for them. Okay, step four, our final step is we're going to evaluate our success. How are we going to do this? We're going to track what type of material we're recycling and how much we're recycling. This part right here is where it's handy to work with a good company like Green Teens Curbside Recycling at owassorecycling.com to evaluate how much material. They can help you track all that material. Then you can produce reports that you could send out on a regular basis, let's say monthly, to our employees, which will show them that their efforts are making a difference and the program is actually working. Okay, so we'd like to thank you for watching our video and thinking about implementing a recycling program into your own office environment. And if you're anywhere local around us, we would love to help you and be part of that program and help you make it a success. And first of all, why do we want to implement a program? Yeah, okay, try that again. How much material is going through our system? Yep, that's not right. Okay, let's try that again. The printer area is a great place to capture a lot of paper. Okay, try that again. We realize that we don't have anywhere to either discard. Okay, let's try again. This is the best chance for this brand. Recycling. Okay, let's try that again.